Are you struggling with selecting key value pairs from a large dictionary in Python? It can be a real headache, especially when memory is a concern. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve this problem together. I totally get it. Working with large dictionaries can be tricky, especially when you're trying to filter out specific keys without running into memory issues. You're not alone in this. Many Python developers face similar challenges. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I select key value pairs from a large dictionary using a smaller list of keys? They provided an example dictionary and a list of keys they want to filter. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the issue here? The user wants to create a new dictionary from the original one, but they are concerned about memory usage since the original dictionary is quite large. This is a common scenario when dealing with data in Python. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a quick tip that can help you manage large dictionaries more efficiently in Python. To begin solving this problem, the user should create a new dictionary that will hold the selected key value pairs from the original dictionary. This can be done using a dictionary comprehension. Next, the user should update the original dictionary with the new dictionary. This can be achieved using the update method, which merges the selected pairs into the original dictionary. Now, the user can print the updated dictionary to verify the changes. This will show the original dictionary with only the selected key value pairs. Finally, the user should ensure that this method is efficient, especially since the original dictionary is large. The dictionary comprehension and update method are both memory efficient. Fun fact, did you know that Python dictionaries are implemented as hash tables? This allows for fast lookups, which is perfect for our filtering task. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests modifying the existing dictionary directly. They recommend creating an empty dictionary called out, and then using a loop to pop the key value pairs from the original dictionary A based on the keys in list B. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using a dictionary comprehension to select key value pairs. They recommend creating a new dictionary by iterating over the list of keys and using the get method to retrieve values from the original dictionary. This method will not raise errors, but it will add an empty string if a key from the list is not found in the original dictionary. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative approach provided by a user involves creating a new dictionary to store the selected key value pairs. They iterate through each item in the original dictionary and check if the key exists in the list of keys. If it does, they add it to the new dictionary. Here's a pro tip. If you're working with very large datasets, consider using libraries like pandas, which are optimized for handling large amounts of data efficiently. And there you have it. You've learned how to select key value pairs from a large dictionary in Python without running into memory issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more Python tips and tricks.